Go.
Hey, this is Matt at Total Package Detailing Services. Today I'm going to show you how to steam wash a car when it is only 19 degrees outside without even scratching it. What I got in my hand here is a product called Optimum No Rinse. This is a rinseless car wash system. It has an ultra high lubricity soap in it. And then over here to my right, I've got my Chief Steamer 125. This shoots out steam at 330 degrees. Plus it also has a chemical injection tank, which is going to inject my Optimum No Rinse into the steam. I want to show you how this works here, folks. It is possible to wash a vehicle to perfection outside in this kind of weather, okay? I'm going to start off by hitting my injection button. And what's going to happen right now is the chemical is mixing with the steam, and this is coming out at 330 degrees. So it's not going to freeze right away when it hits the surface. I'm just going to put that on there. And again, guys, this is super high lubricity soap, okay? This is like slip and slide. All right, so I got that on there. I'm going to take a moist towel, okay? Fold it into fours here. I'm going to now start my steam, okay? Wipe in the single section. Just like that, here, I'll even get in the gas cap. Alright, so now the panel is done. I'm going to take my dry towel now. Same concept, fold it into fours. And just so you can see, guys, the dirt is right there. There's all the dirt, okay? What I do is I go around the car is I use different towels, and I also flip to different sides. I got 8 sides per towel, okay? We'll fold this bad boy up here. And just come back and wipe it down. Get it nice and dry. And look, guys, look, I mean, it's not freezing on there. It is 19 degrees today. Pretty darn cold. But because that comes out so hot, it doesn't have time to freeze. And there you go. Look at that. Okay? Beautifully washed in 19-degree weather. Leaves behind a good shine. There's the difference before and after. And of course, as always, if you want yours done, you know where to call us. We're at 920-450-2085. We come right out to you. All we need is access to a power outlet within 50 feet of wherever we're doing your car. Thanks.